Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer science fiction. It's a reality that's rapidly transforming our world in ways we could have only imagined a few decades ago. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, AI is seamlessly integrated into our daily routines. It's here, embedded in our phones, our cars, even our refrigerators. These devices are not just tools, they are becoming our companions, learning our habits, preferences, and routines to serve us better. These algorithms, these lines of code, are learning to think, to predict, to decide. They analyze vast amounts of data at lightning speed, uncovering patterns and insights that would take humans years to discover. Imagine a program that can diagnose diseases with greater accuracy than a human doctor. AI in healthcare is revolutionizing the way we approach medical diagnostics, treatment plans, and patient care. It can analyze medical images, predict patient outcomes, and even suggest personalized treatment options. Or a self-driving car that navigates traffic with superhuman reflexes. Autonomous vehicles are not just a futuristic concept, they are being tested on roads today, promising to reduce accidents, ease traffic congestion, and provide mobility solutions for those unable to drive. This is the promise of AI, a future where machines augment our abilities, making us healthier, safer, and more efficient. Smart homes that anticipate our needs, cities that manage resources intelligently, and workplaces that enhance productivity through automation are just the beginning. But this future comes at a cost. As we become more reliant on AI, we must also grapple with the ethical and societal implications. Issues of data privacy, security, and the potential for bias in AI systems are significant concerns that need to be addressed. AI thrives on data, the raw material it uses to learn and evolve. Massive amounts of data are collected, stored, and analyzed to train these intelligent systems. This data comes from various sources, including our online activities, sensor networks, and even public records. Every click, every like, every search query we make leaves a digital footprint, a breadcrumb trail that AI can follow. This trail helps AI understand our preferences, predict our behavior, and tailor experiences to our individual needs. This data, often collected without our explicit awareness, paints an intimate portrait of who we are, what we desire, and how we behave. While this can lead to more personalized and convenient experiences, it also raises questions about consent, ownership, and the potential misuse of our personal information. As we move forward, it is crucial to establish ethical guidelines and regulations to ensure that AI is developed and used responsibly. This includes transparency in AI decision-making processes, accountability for AI-driven actions, and safeguarding individual privacy rights. The rise of thinking machines presents both incredible opportunities and formidable challenges. By fostering collaboration between technologists, policymakers, and society at large, we can harness the power of AI to create a future that benefits everyone. The journey of AI is just beginning, and its potential is boundless. As we navigate this new era, let us strive to build a world where technology enhances our humanity rather than diminishes it. The rise of thinking machines is not just a technological revolution. It is a profound transformation of our society and our lives. AI learns by identifying patterns in vast datasets. These datasets are the lifeblood of artificial intelligence, providing the raw material that allows these systems to evolve and improve. Just as a human brain needs experiences to learn and grow, AI requires data to refine its algorithms and enhance its capabilities. Without data, AI would be like a detective without clues, unable to solve the mysteries it encounters. Think of it like a master detective piecing together clues. Each piece of data is a clue that helps the AI form a bigger picture. The more clues it has, the more accurate and insightful its conclusions can be. This process of learning from data is what makes AI so powerful and versatile, capable of tackling a wide range of tasks from recognizing speech to diagnosing diseases. The more data AI has access to, the better it becomes at recognizing patterns and making predictions. This is why data is often referred to as the new oil. Just as oil fueled the Industrial Revolution, data is driving the AI revolution. Companies and organizations that can harness vast amounts of data have a significant advantage in developing advanced AI systems. This data comes from various sources: our online activity, social media interactions, location data from our phones, even our purchasing habits. Every click, like, and share contributes to the vast ocean of data that AI systems analyze. Our digital footprints are constantly being tracked and recorded, providing a treasure trove of information for AI to learn from. Every time we use a facial recognition app, ask a virtual assistant a question, or stream a movie online, we are feeding the AI beast. These interactions provide valuable data that helps AI systems understand our preferences, habits, and behaviors. This continuous feedback loop allows AI to become more personalized and responsive, tailoring its responses to meet our individual needs. These seemingly insignificant actions, aggregated over millions of users, provide AI with a detailed understanding of human behavior, allowing it to predict our next purchase, recommend a song we might enjoy, or even manipulate our emotions. The power of AI lies in its ability to process and analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, uncovering patterns and insights that would be impossible for humans to detect. As we continue to generate more data through our interactions with technology, AI will only become more sophisticated and influential in our lives. Before we descend into a dystopian spiral, it's important to acknowledge the numerous benefits AI brings to our lives. Imagine a world where AI helps doctors develop personalized treatments for cancer, predicts natural disasters before they occur, or optimizes traffic flow to reduce pollution and congestion. This is the potential of AI, a force for good that can solve some of humanity's most pressing problems. Data collection is the key to unlocking these incredible benefits. The more data AI has access to, the more accurate its predictions become, and the better equipped it is to tackle these challenges effectively. In many ways, AI can act as a guardian angel, watching over us, anticipating our needs, and protecting us from harm in various situations. But this potential comes with a dark side. As we embrace the conveniences and efficiencies brought by AI, we must also confront the unsettling reality that our privacy is increasingly at risk. The very technologies that promise to enhance our lives are also capable of intruding into our most personal spaces, collecting data that we might not even be aware of sharing. The same data that empowers AI to do good can also be used to manipulate and exploit. This duality is at the heart of the privacy debate. On one hand, AI can analyze vast amounts of data to provide personalized experiences, improve healthcare, and even predict and prevent crimes. On the other hand, this data can be weaponized, used to influence our decisions, and even control our behavior without our consent. Imagine a world where your every move is tracked, where surveillance cameras, GPS tracking, and drones follow your every step. This isn't a distant dystopian future, it's a reality that's already unfolding in many parts of the world. Governments and corporations have unprecedented access to our daily lives, monitoring our locations, our communications, and even our social interactions, your thoughts and desires anticipated, not just by those who know you, but by algorithms that have never met you. These algorithms can predict your behavior with astonishing accuracy, often better than your closest friends and family. They know what you want before you do, and they use this knowledge to shape your choices in subtle yet profound ways. Your choice is subtly nudged by algorithms designed to maximize profit, not your well-being. Every click, every like, every purchase is meticulously analyzed to create a profile that can be used to sell you more products, more services, more ideas. These algorithms are not neutral. They are designed with specific goals in mind, often prioritizing corporate interests over individual autonomy. This is the shadow of AI, a world where privacy is eroded and autonomy is under threat. The more we rely on AI, the more we expose ourselves to its darker aspects. It's a trade-off that we must carefully consider, balancing the benefits of technological advancement with the need to protect our fundamental rights. A world where privacy is eroded and autonomy is under threat. Our digital footprints are everywhere, and they are more revealing than we might think. Every online interaction, every search query, every social media post contributes to a detailed portrait of who we are, what we believe, and what we desire. And autonomy is under threat. The more data we generate, the more we become entangled in a web of surveillance and control. Our smartphones, our smart homes, our connected cars, all these devices collect data that can be used to monitor and influence us. We're becoming prisoners of our own technology, trapped in a digital panopticon. Our data, once considered insignificant, is now a valuable commodity. In the digital age, data is the new oil, a resource that is mined, refined, and traded on a global scale. Companies are willing to pay top dollar for access to our personal information, and they go to great lengths to collect it, often without our knowledge or consent. It is now a valuable commodity traded and sold by companies eager to exploit our deepest desires. This commodification of personal data raises serious ethical concerns. Who owns our data? Who has the right to profit from it? And what happens when this data falls into the wrong hands? Traded and sold by companies eager to exploit our deepest desires. This raises profound ethical questions. As data becomes more valuable, the stakes become higher. The potential for abuse grows, and the need for robust protections becomes more urgent. This raises profound ethical questions. Do we have a right to control our own data? Should we be able to decide who can access it and how it is used? These questions are at the heart of the privacy debate, and they demand thoughtful consideration and action. Do we have a right to control our own data? In a world where data is power, the ability to control our own information is a fundamental right. We must advocate for stronger privacy protections, greater transparency, and more accountability from those who collect and use our data. Who is responsible when AI makes decisions that harm individuals or society as a whole? As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, the question of accountability becomes more pressing. We must ensure that there are mechanisms in place to hold those who develop and deploy AI systems accountable for their actions. Only then can we harness the full potential of AI while safeguarding our privacy and autonomy. The business model of many tech giants relies on collecting and analyzing user data. This data is used to train AI algorithms, which in turn power personalized advertising, targeted marketing campaigns, and even political manipulation. The more data these companies collect, the more powerful their AI becomes, and the more effectively they can influence our behavior. This data-driven economy raises concerns about transparency and accountability. Are we aware of how our data is being used? Do we have a say in how it's collected and shared? The answer, more often than not, is a resounding no.